Hi and welcome to Holly Cottage Welton, a quick demonstration of how to use the record player. I'm pretty sure there's a few people of a certain generation, such as myself, who are pretty aware how to use these things, but there's a couple of extras on this unit that you might not be familiar with. So down the side here on the record player, first thing to say is we need to get the power on, which is obviously on down here. There's also an on-off switch here. It should really be just left on. I don't think we're looking to turn it on, but if you need to turn it on off after the power switch, then we turn it on off there. So then we have this unit actually plays records. It can also play music from a USB or memory card. The phono shown here is actually the record part, and then we have a radio also. The radio is controlled through these channels here, and you just select which one you want. You can see over here that we can plug your USB in or your memory card, and then we have the choices of which to use, up and down, skip songs, etc. But I suppose most of you will be wanting to use the record player. So how do we do that? Quite simply, we take a record, select a record, and be careful please taking them in and out, make sure we don't scratch them for other users. So we just quite simply take the record, place it on the deck. To operate the arm, there's a little lever over here. We lift this lever up, we move the arm over to the record, and we just simply lower the arm like this. So the record will start playing in a minute. You will see that we have some blue tack on the top at the moment. These things aren't very precise, and sometimes we have to add a little weight to make the records play better. So that's why that blue tack's there. Please leave it on. So we've got to turn the volume up down here, and it's as simple as that. Once the record is finished playing on this side, the arm will get to the inside and it will automatically come over and place itself back to the original position for you to either turn the record over or play it again. Hope that helps. Any problems, give us a call and we will do our best to advise you further. Thanks very much.